everyone, we are here at KubeCon Detroit 2022. I'm here with my good friend Bill. Bill, how's it going? How has your day been?
Very good. It's another packed day at the conference, so yeah, just trying to hang in there.
And are you getting a lot of traction at the Cilium booth?
Yeah, definitely. There's a lot of excitement around Cilium. A lot of things happening in the project
So
here.
the excitement that you're mentioning, what might be the reason behind it? Tell us a little bit more about Cilium.
Yeah, so Cilium is a CNI. The big announcements here that people are looking forward to is one, it's now becoming the standard CNI for Microsoft AKS. So now it's the standard CNI for all of the three major cloud providers, and it's also available on Civo too. People are really excited about the new integration with Grafana, so integrating all the metrics from eBPF into Grafana dashboards that everybody knows and loves. And the last one is Cilium just applied for graduation from the CNCF. So we're really looking forward to get Cilium as a graduated project.
Amazing, and we have it in the Civo integration as well, apart from Flannel.
Yeah.
So can you tell us a little bit more about why is there such a huge popularity now with Cilium? Because I saw there was around last year on social media, I believe when you joined recently, and the Cilium was everywhere. So can you tell us a little bit more about what are some of the key features that makes it the way it is?
Yeah, absolutely. So the big thing about Cilium is that it has an eBPF based data plane, and eBPF is a revolutionary kernel technology that allows you to extend the functionality of the Linux kernel, and that's really powerful in the networking world. You can do things a lot quicker, and you can do things in ways that you weren't able to before. And so by leveraging eBPF, Cilium provides a much faster, more performant, and more scalable data plane. That's why everybody's kind of turning to it.
So from your experience and the interactions you've had at KubeCon, if we talk about the future, let's say 2-3 years, what are some of the trends that you're going to see? Yeah,
absolutely. So on the Cilium side, one, I think it's going to become the standard CNI for Kubernetes. It's actually already there. The next thing, I think it's kind of interesting, and my hot take that we'll find out is I think actually service mesh is going to go away in the next 2 to 3 years. The networking and service mesh are actually kind of the same thing, and just service mesh is just going to become a feature of the networking layer. It's not going to be a whole separate category by itself. So I think that's the big trend that we're going to see in the next couple of years. I would say service mesh is just networking. I think it's crazy that people think that service mesh is something besides networking. That's all it is.
Cool. And we mentioned Civo, and you're doing it for the Civo TV. What has your experience been like running Cilium on Civo?
Yeah, I think Civo is great because it is blazing fast. It's super simple to set up and super simple to use. If you want just the easiest developer experience, go to Civo.
Appreciate it. Well, thanks a lot for joining, Bill, and thanks everyone else as well. If you want to learn more about Cilium, you can check out the links in the description below. We'll see you in the next one. For more clips from KubeCon, check out Civo TV.